Hello everybody and welcome to your lesson. Today we will talk about present continuous y lo vamos a ligar con el tema anterior que fue What's he wearing? What's she wearing? El presente continuo nos habla de cosas que están sucediendo en este momento. So let's start. Here we have a big picture of things that are happening in this moment at the park. So, we're going to check the question, what's happening? ¿Qué está sucediendo? Para utilizar el presente continuo, vamos a usar el verbo to be y el verbo principal con la terminación ing. So, we're going to check this. Carmela is in the park with the kids. En este momento, Carmela está en el parque con los niños. And what's Carmela doing? ¿Qué es lo que Carmela está haciendo? She is smelling a flower and watching the kids. Ella está oliendo una flor y está viendo a los niños en este momento. Next example. What are Gabriel and Irene doing? Gabriel and Irene. They are eating sandwiches in the park. Ellos están comiendo sándwiches en el parque. And what are they wearing? Well, Irene is wearing a red skirt, red blouse, and red boots. And Gabriel is wearing a striped t-shirt, blue jeans, red sneakers, and a blue cap. Now, take a look at Oscar. What's Oscar doing? Well, Oscar is drinking water in the park. And what's he wearing? Oscar is wearing a yellow sweater, blue jeans, and gray shoes. Now it's your turn. Look at this picture and create 5 questions with answers about these people, activities, and clothes. Así que tu pregunta es, what is he doing? What is she doing? And what is he wearing or what is she wearing? Now, I will provide you an example. Julian. What's Julian doing? Julian is watering the flowers. And what's Julian wearing? Julian is wearing a yellow shirt, pink vest, and white jeans. Okay, so your turn. Create your questions and your answers and grade them here in the platform to be evaluated. That's all for today. Until next time, bye-bye.